Welcome to this video, and in this video I want to show how to get easy started with Stable Diffusion, the version we are called Automatic1111, and how to install it in Colab with Google tool instead of to run it locally on your own computer. To run it locally on your own computer is for sure free, but it is not many people who have a computer that's strong enough. So it's actually what I want to show here in this video, how to do that. And what you want to do is actually, for people who actually don't know, it is actually this here with Stable Diffusion, and the reason I like Stable Diffusion compared to, for example, Midjourney or Leonardo AI, it is you have a lot more control, a lot more things you can do in this tool you cannot do in Midjourney. For example, in Midjourney, if you want a person to do example, for example, want to do something with your fingers or in a specific position, or you have a specific brand for a company and you want to put that into it, it's very difficult to control. In Midjourney make wonderful really great image, but to control things is very difficult, and it is what you can do in this one, in Stable Diffusion, and it's why we start in this video just level 1, install the software. And let me show you. I will go to here, and so we'll search something in Google and say fast Stable Diffusion Automatic 111. And if you search one, you will see the first link up here. And this link you actually just click on, and from now on it actually opens up a Colab. And this one you actually need an upgraded version of Colab to run it. It costs about, in Thailand, 340 baht, about $12 to run this. So I think the price compared to how much faster it and how much easier it is a good trade-off, and it's still cheaper than if you pay for Midjourney, for example, a pro version of Midjourney that costs a lot more. And the next one, you go up here in runtime, and you change your runtime, and it will be not on DPO and standard, so it's different. So I will take this on and save it. The next step I will do, it is actually to run this on here, and actually what it's doing now is connecting to your Google Drive, and if you want to see the code, if you're a nerd, you can open up here, and actually all what it say, it open your Google Drive, this one, you will see it here very soon here. Soon it running. Before it start running, here it's come up with this on, and you choose your account. If you have more than one account, you can actually do it. And right now, now it's connecting to it. Next one, I just click here on continue anyway. It just say it is your balance is 0, so you actually need some upgrade. In this case here, we need something outstanding. And it is, like I say, 343 per month, so which is a good trade-off, price it and agree about this one, and actually buy this product. And so right now I will do that because, like you say, you need this upgrade to run it. I don't want to survey right now. Let's go. And so now we actually have the Colab. So now we continue anyway, and we go from next one, we go next one. This is just here, it actually go to what is called Hugging Face, take the code, copy it in, run it, because we get access to Google Drive, installed it on your Google Drive. I will show you here later, and after that it will download the version. We could also take in painting, or other version here is older version, but in painting would be a great model for me, because you can do a lot of in painting. You can also install this extension later. I come with one standard model, and you can see now it start running here with control net. You can take all model here. If all is what I would recommend for this video, I just want to do it quite fast, so I just want to take one model and run it. And control node, but I would recommend to do them all. And actually after that, you just run with Stable Diffusion, and you actually will get a link as soon as it is installed. It will actually not take that long time to install all this here. You will see this one we are actually doing it almost in real time. So we actually just running it. But here it takes some time to take the model. It's a quite big model. Take all this, install it. You can read here what it's actually doing. It's cloning, so it go out to GitHub, copy all the code, run it, and now you can see it's finished. Now it take the model, the in-painting model, like I say, and the in-painting is like normal. For example, you have text and you have something happen in the AI, and on the right you actually have a result, your image. But when you take in-painting, you can put an extra feature into it, so you have more control in it. And in this case here, for example, you can draw something that look like a tree or something, even in your hand, and put it in. And when you put it in, it will understand, oh, you're drawing a tree, and so use this. You can also, for example, take the arm standing like this, try to paint this, and it will understand. Even you do it in a very ugly painting, it is like I talk about in Stable Diffusion, you can control it 100%. To make a person do like exactly like this in Midjourney or Leonardo AI is very difficult, but in Stable Diffusion, quite easy. And right now, the last part here now is actually running the code and actually starting up Stable Diffusion. As you can see, it not took many minutes to get so far. And here soon we will get a link when we look here at the screen. And as soon this one is there, we can just click on it and we are already ready to run. In my next video, I will actually click on it and run it, and you can see here on the screen here just in a few seconds. So we are up running in Stable Diffusion. If you have to run this local on your computer, even I have a fast computer here, it can take 1 hour to install that. And you can see right here on your screen here, it is there. And just to show, if you go into our Google Drive, it actually have a new folder called SD for Stable Diffusion, and you see it's right here for me. And Stable Diffusion here, we open this one, and if we go into, for example, let's just look here, we have models, what you will see in the next video, so you can see all the files normally installed on your local computer is right here. So if you have many other trained model, other models that can do some specific things, I will show you in the next video. You will put them right here in your Google Drive and you are ready to use them. But it was what I want to show you. We have a Stable Diffusion running locally. We are running on a Colab account that costs about 300-400 baht per month. You can also just run it locally if you have a strong enough computer. But good luck for try to do it by yourself, and I hope you learned something, and we see you till next week. Okay, see you, bye.